There is confirmation this evening that the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital in Montego Bay, St. James will be named in honor of former Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller. Mrs. Simpson Miller, during her tenure, was the one who negotiated the contract with the Chinese government for the facility to be built. Addressing the Ministry of Labour and Social Security dedication naming ceremony for the Portia Simpson Miller Building at 1F North Street today, Prime Minister Dr. Holness says it was always the government's intention to name the hospital after Mrs. Simpson Miller.
It is only the right thing to do. It's appropriate that it should be named in her honor, and it will be done. You know, we were just waiting until the hospital was finished and ready, which would have been the appropriate time to say that, but it is what it is.
Dr. Holness says the government is in the process of restoring the name of Portia Simpson Miller Square in 3 miles.
And I just want to assure the members of her constituency, which adjoins my constituency, that it was never the intention to eliminate Portia Simpson Miller Square. And so when we put up the overpasses, the intention was to rename those overpasses in her honor. We actually started some work to fix up underneath the overpasses and to paint it to make it look appropriate. We will continue that, and at the right time, we will rename that entire area, including the overpass and the underpass. We're trying to figure out if it should be the Portia Simpson Miller overpasses, or we haven't found the right nomenclature, but we will find the right and appropriate way to name it.